Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Turning on two-factor authentication is very important because it helps stop unauthorized access to your account, even if someone gets your password. It adds an extra layer of security for new logins and helps protect your account from hacking and phishing attacks. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Then, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner and go to Account Center. Inside Account Center, scroll down a little and tap on Password and Security. Here, you'll see your login and recovery options. Now tap on Two-Factor Authentication and then select your Instagram profile. Here, you'll see a few options to enable two-factor authentication and secure your account. You can add your phone number, and Instagram will send a verification code to your phone. Whenever someone tries to log into your account, they'll need to enter that code to complete the login. You'll also see an option to use a backup method, like an authentication app, but I recommend using the phone number option because it's simple and easy to use. Once two-factor authentication is turned on, even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the verification code sent to your phone. So that's how you can enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.